everybody. I don't have my camera mount in the truck. So we're just going to do the whole hand holding method. Happy Friday. Woo! I wanted to come here and I've had 5 of you reach out to me, and I just want to remind people that when you are trying something new, a new product to you, or a new method, or stainless steel wool, or any of that stuff, you need to try it out in your own home first. Please do not come to me after you have damaged something. Hi, I don't know who's there, to tell me that you've damaged something because you're not familiar with the products, you didn't realize the product leaked, or the bottle had a problem, or it had a reaction to what the chemical composite was of whatever it was made from. It's super important that you try that product out first in your own home before you try it out on the clients. Way easier to have to replace your own thing than have to replace someone's stone granite countertop because you used a product and it stained it. So that is really, really important. I cannot emphasize that enough. I had one of you actually get a hold of me in tears today, and that was just a really unfortunate event. Thankfully, the homeowner was very graceful, and hopefully we can work together to come to some sort of conclusion. So I'm just here to remind you, if you have a new product or you're trying a new technique, try it out in your own home first. That way you won't have a damage claim against your insurance. While I have your attention, it's probably 72 degrees here in Arizona, in northern Arizona today. And just remind you that we're at the last few days for the Structure, Scale, and Profit Cleaning Business Academy, which starts, the new class starts on Monday. If anyone would like to join Carl, and it's 10 weeks with me on Zoom. And it's all about structuring your business, scaling your business, and ultimately your margins, so profiting from your business, because we're all here to create legacies that we can either sell or give to our families later. If you're interested in any of that information, please private message me, and I would love to chat. I'm going to get going now. You guys have a great day. Take care.